Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat siang, Sir. My name is Ari Dwi Nugroho dari Universitas Esa Unggul. First interview. My name is Ari Dwi Nugroho and I noticed on your website that you are currently looking for manager at and safety. I have just graduated with a bachelor degree in public health from Esa Unggul University. I could speak two languages, Bahasa Indonesia and then English. My English skill is average and then my Indonesia is fluently. Also, I have a result to for task classification, even organization, classification of and collision. Second, activity. During my current years, I participate as organization group donation and then also participation in participation college events as Independence Day College Festival and then PKMB. I was in charge of medical official. My job was at someone who space the digression or lover with even avoid their equation from those event and then developed an interest in manager at and safety. Therefore, I took a part-time job in another hospital as medical official. My job was same like their event. I managed preparation for lesson. I think that a manager at and safety is a challenging job, but I really enjoy the sense of progress that come from it. With the passion I have, I believe it can work well in this position. I hope to chance to interview with your company. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.